Welcome to Underglass. My name is Ryan Douglas, and today's episode, the illusion of control. Everyone's got AI and greenhouse operations wrong. More tech does not equal better operations, and the data shows us that. When you research what jobs are most likely to be replaced by AI in the near future, agriculture sits at the very bottom, right next to industries like fishing, forestry, construction. It's those kind of digital repetitive tasks that have the greatest exposure, but physical, real-world work does not. Yet, we're running these greenhouse operations as if we're running a software company, right? From the office, from a dashboard, from a spreadsheet. Here's what I learned by running a 2 million square foot greenhouse myself. Some of my most valuable insights didn't come from data. It came from walking the facility, and not just walking the crop, but walking the entire facility. So we had a full IPM program, reports, systems, structure. On paper, it looked perfect. In reality, I could never find my IPM manager. She was never in the greenhouse. Her team noticed, I noticed. We would have new spray techs that were forced to troubleshoot equipment problems by themselves in the dark at night in a huge greenhouse. I would even show up and they wouldn't have the fuel to run the machines to make the spray application. And there's no software or sensor that's going to bring that to my attention, right? The way that was fixed was with presence. So I insisted that the IPM manager spend a certain percentage of the day in the greenhouse, that she hold weekly meetings with her IPM team, and that she become directly involved with the spraying at night. And the results were immediate. So we had better coordination, better awareness of what was going on, and I think better control over pest pressure in that greenhouse. But that wasn't because of more data, it was because of better visibility. So here's what I think is the uncomfortable truth. Technology gives you information, but presence gives you context. Because without it, you're managing an operation that doesn't actually exist, right? The more that tech pulls you into the office, the farther away it takes you from where performance is actually happening, which is on the production floor. And so think about it. This is still farming, right? It's physical, there's a lot of variables, it's very much execution driven, but the real risk isn't automation, it's leadership kind of disappearing into the technology and losing the production floor. So the next time performance is slipping at your facility, don't ask yourself, what is the data telling me? Ask yourself, where are you spending most of your time? Because if it's behind a screen, you're managing an illusion.